In this video, I will explain how to register with the broker RoboForex in 2025. And we will do all of this using our mobile phone, so follow all my actions, pause the video, and we will do everything step by step, stage by stage. So I'm going to the RoboForex website. At the top right, we have a green rectangle, open an account, so we go there. And then we have several fields appear where we need to enter our email, first name, last name, and mobile phone. And there is a tab called I have a partner code, meaning we have a partner code. So now we fill everything out step by step, starting with the email. Look below the phone, there is a label that is active, meaning if we select it, so an additional field appears. Be sure to enter my partner code to fully access the trading functionality. So I enter this word and click the registration rectangle. Also, don't forget that you need to check the box on consent. So after this, we receive two messages in our email. In the first message, we confirm the registration, and in the second message, our email is also specified. This is our login and password, respectively, randomly generated by the company itself. You can of course change it later. Therefore, now, to access the account, we need to save all this information. So, we managed to log into the RoboForex account. Now we need to complete the verification process. To do this, select the menu at the top left, and where we see the profile. We need to select the verification tab, go there, and first of all, we need to complete the email verification, so we enter there. Select the rectangle send code. And we should also receive a code in our email, which we need to insert it here into this empty rectangle. Check the email. Buy it. Now scroll down, and here is the rectangle past the verification, meaning we need to confirm our identity using our passport. Let's fill in the empty lines one by one and check the appropriate boxes. Where it says name, accordingly, we write our name is surname. Gender is sex. Next, your date of birth. Then we will leave everything else as is. Here it asks if you are a political figure. Now, passport number ID is the series and number of the passport. Issued by whom? Date of issue, your nationality. Next, if we have filled everything out, we need to upload our passport ourselves. Therefore, we select choose file, either take a photo or simply upload from your media files. Now let's scroll down. Next, the broker tells us that we need to verify our address. And for this, they offer several options. To verify, you can select a document needed for this. Absolutely any. Whichever is more convenient for you, you choose and accordingly fill in all the empty lines. Accordingly, we fill in all the empty lines and then upload the photo of the document you have chosen. And then we select the send button to completely submit everything we have. Prepared documents. Well, now we have sent all our data and we expect confirmation within up to 3 days. And then we can accordingly start working on this platform. So guys, subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of interesting and useful content here.